from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The euro-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upward correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
Oil prices edged up to a one-week high on data from China and the US, signalling demand in the world's two biggest crude-consuming nations could climb. Both crude benchmarks had the highest close since April the 30th. US mortgage rates fell this week for the first time in more than a month, amid signs of slowing economic activity, but remained too high to provide a significant boost to the housing market. Digital currency groups saw a surge in revenue in the first quarter of 2024, driven by the recovery of crypto markets. The crypto conglomerate's revenue jumped 51% year over year to $229 million.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The UK's industrial production will be released at 6 GMT, the Austrian industrial production at 7 GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey current will be released at 5 GMT, Italy's industrial sales at 10 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.